Ia o ke mua ngā ia whawhelo e kungai kai o mele ngā whaaloalo whawhakai lau sunga le kai o saunginga ia mga kuleo a mōlia la na au whongaa ia o ke elangi le kako whasangi man whapolo ngai kai au e mga kufo i o le pa ia masama whai ngā o le kako a fia ia o leo a mai au ngā pai o le whangua e la mga ko le ale ko o ia se mako fa am kalanga ia wa pa ia mai vavau se o fa vavau se o vai fo i le mangu ka ko kebi ia fa saul ka ko kemi a wa fo ko po kalambe o ka ko fa mo moi ngaku le ia ka fa ia ko se fa am kalanga ngal na Peresetene. Good morning everyone. Pastor Neru Luyali, Honourable Prime Minister, Afioga Fia Me Naomi Matafa, Honourable Ministers of Cabinet, distinguished members of the Diplomatic Corps, Dr. Jaloud Mohammed, President of the International Weightlifting Federation, Mr. Khalid Maholi, President of the Continental Federation of Africa, Mr. Jose Conenos, President of the Continental Federation of Pan America, Mr. Sam Kofa, International Weightlifting Federation Executive Board Member, Mr. Mohammed Alabi, President of the Weightlifting Federation of Saudi Arabia, Mr. Ishaq Abraham Ishaq, President, Weightlifting Federation of Bahrain, Honourable Marcus Stephen, President of the Oceania Weightlifting Federation, Mr. Paul Coffer, General Secretary, Commonwealth and Oceania Weightlifting Federation, all the presidents of the 20 so Oceania National Federations that are present with us this morning, Dr. Robin Mitchell, President of ONOC, Oceania National Olympic Committee, and also member of the Executive Board of the IOC. Mr. Rick Blas, General Secretary of ONOC also. Mr. Paunga Talapaunga, President of CESNOC. Athletes, coaches, ladies and gentlemen, today is truly a historic day for weightlifting in Oceania. A historic day for sport in Samoa. A day where the power players of world weightlifting have traveled from great distances to honor us with their presence, hence giving us in this region the recognition and acknowledgement of the work we have done for many, many decades. For this, we are enormously grateful. Oceania Weightlifting Institute Academy has now been installed here in Apia, Samoa. An institute which will play a major role in winning of medals at upcoming games, such as the Commonwealth Games, Olympic Games, World Championships, senior, junior, and youth levels, and many other international events. An institute academy where teams can come together to train in training camps, and an institute where lifters can be long-term residents, at the same time training full-time, where technical officials have the opportunity to progress international level through regular workshops and seminars. We, the Samoa Weightlifting and Oceania Weightlifting Federation, are grateful to the IWF for their trust and their encouragement. The OWF is very proud to be the first continent to have this Institute Academy program fully endorsed by the IWF. For that, can we have a big hand? Yes, indeed, we are proud, we are united, we are strong, our vision firmly focused on success. I would like to thank especially the Samoa government for their huge support, not only for this institute set up, but also for the many years of supporting the sport of weightlifting in this country, for their incredible foresight to the benefits in having the Oceania Weightlifting Institute and Academy based here in Samoa. I also thank, in recognition, the Ministry of Sports, who have worked very closely with us in setting up this institute, Foreign Affairs, and the Ministry of Police in executing this launch has made it a great success this morning. I would also like to thank the Samoa National Olympic Committee for their support over the many years, and they continue to support as we move to this new era with the setup of the Oceania Weightlifting Institute and Academy. Also a special thank you and a mention to ONOC, Oceania National Olympic Committee, for their backing and support. Hopefully, there'll be for more things to come and working together as we build a new future for Oceania. To our naming sponsor and the power behind the Samoa weightlifting team, National Bank of Samoa, we acknowledge and we thank you. We salute you for your support. But most importantly, I thank the International Weightlifting Federation, Dr. Jalud Mohammed, and all the distinguished members of the IWF and presidents who have made the trip here to Samoa to witness and to confirm this special, unique center to be based here in Samoa. Weightlifting Federation, in conjunction with the Government of Samoa, will deliver a truly world-class institute and academy, and I promise we will not let you down. To everyone who is here today to celebrate this milestone for the sport of weightlifting in Oceania, we say thank you and we appreciate your attendance. I appreciate your support. I appreciate your shared vision as we move forward for a successful Oceania region. So i fua mai e manuia, whaafitai.